Hi everybody, we're back.
Banana.
Puppies are, some of them are sleeping. Some of them are going to sleep. Missy, can't see. Can't see. Oh yeah, sit right on them. Some of them are learning to play with toys.
Something salty.
There we go. Thank you, Missy, for moving.
It's an even. And then canceling check.
Oh, green one over here is playing with this hedgehog. Oh, nap time again. See, this is the problem. You try to get them, and then they all decide to go to sleep. Doesn't take much for them to be wore out. Oh, lick myself. That we got all kinds of toys for them.
Stand up after you
Different toys, rope toys, squeaky toys, plush toys, a little ball thing. Oh, yellow girl's playing with, I don't know, I can't tell from here.
So every time I win, stand up, save it. Alright.
Thank you, Missy.
Fire horizon.
We was trying to see.
Something that.
Oh, light blue boy.
None to order. Ghost dank.
What's that?
What is it? Ghost dank. Ghost dank.
Dark pink. It's passed out.
Lonely stepbrother.
Oh, Mama laid down.
Something.
Now we all gotta eat again.
Something Steve. Canceled check.
They're getting so big. Eating all the time.
None order.
All right. We got plenty of toys for them now.
I say this first be okay.
I'm getting one of those fake grass things, so instead of having these puppy pads, I'll have a fake grass thing on here, in here. They'll be able to go to the bathroom on. And I'll put the puppy pads under that, and then they'll learn. And then that'll help when they transition to going outside. So that should come Tuesday. So the next video you see, you will be able to see the new fake grass thing that I bought for him. Alrighty, guys. And I'm pretty sure all the boys are now spoken for.
Well, that's who I was going against.
I just have all the girls still available. So
Where to go, throwing
anybody looking for a white shepherd girl, we got 5.
micro
Right, Missa?
aggression.
Yeah. She's a good girl.
Money to burn.
All right.
It's a trap.
Talk to you guys later. Bye.